What you say? Wipe your mouth with the paper towels, Danny. Wipe your mouth, little girl.
What's happening here? Maybe the magic rat found in your bucket. Okay, let's not panic.
I don't know what Danielle's doing with that paper towel.
So,
Everything but wiping her mouth.
say something nice to it. Okay. Just think for a second. I know, man.
Danielle, what you doing with the paper towel? You playing? You playing with your paper towel? Oh, bless you. God bless you. And Davion is resting over there watching the cartoon. Danny's supposed to be watching the cartoon too, but she's playing with her towel. Interesting to her. Do not put the paper towel in your mouth, little girl. Little girl. Little girl, do not put the paper towel in your mouth. I don't think she's listening. Danielle. Now she's watching television.
Guys? I don't see him. Did you see him? I don't see him anywhere. You sound weird. It's the thin air. Come on in. It feels great.
Okay then, Danielle, just talk later then. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, people.